Little storyteller.
The little fishing village of Kampung Nelayan nestled beside a calm, sparkling blue sea. The houses were painted in bright colors, like sunshine yellow and ocean green, with roofs shaped like smiling waves. A small boy, named Adi, with bright curious eyes and a red and white striped shirt, loved to help his grandfather, Grandpa Johann, a kind fisherman with a long white beard like fluffy cotton candy. Grandpa Johann had a little blue and white boat named Jelambang Sirius, which means happy waves. One starry night, when the moon looked like a big yellow smile in the sky, Grandpa Johann winked at Adi. "Tonight, little one," he whispered, "we have a special race." He explained that, once a year, the fishermen of Kampung Nelayan held a secret midnight boat race. The boats weren't powered by motors, but by happy songs. As the clock tower gently chimed 12 times, all the fishing boats, painted in beautiful colors and adorned with twinkling lights like fireflies, gathered in the calm bay. The fishermen, each wearing a colorful hat, began to sing their happiest sea shanties. Their voices blended together like a sweet melody carried by the gentle night breeze. Grandpa Johann began to sing a song about playful dolphins leaping in the waves. As his happy voice filled the air, Jelambang Sirius gently glided forward. Adi clapped his hands with glee as they sailed smoothly through the water, the other boats moving alongside them, each powered by a different joyful tune. A friendly old fisherman named Uncle Omar, with a big smile and a bright orange boat, sang a funny song about a crab who wore a coconut shell as a hat. His boat zipped along, making everyone chuckle. Another fisherman, Auntie City, with a boat painted like a rainbow, sang a lullaby about the gentle sea, and her boat moved with a calm and steady pace. All the boats sailed together under the watchful eyes of the twinkling stars, their happy songs creating a magical atmosphere on the quiet sea. There was no winner or loser, just the joy of singing together and watching their boats dance on the water, powered by happiness. As the first light of dawn painted the sky in soft pink and orange, the boats returned to the village. Grandpa Johann smiled at Adi. "You see, little one," he said gently, "when we share our happiness with others, even something like a song can make wonderful things happen." The secret boat race wasn't about winning, but about the joy of community and the magic of shared happiness. Fun fact, did you know that singing together can make people feel happier? When we sing with others, it releases happy feelings in our brains, just like the sea shanties powered the boats.
Please subscribe. Thank you.